Hi everyone, I'm Amalia and I'm here to talk to you guys about Look Fabulous Wigs and Extensions by TressAllures. So today's tip is about how to curl your girl's hair. The really cool thing about TressAllures wigs is the fiber that the hair is made out of. It is not a normal synthetic fiber. It has an effortless heat ability to it. The ends are tapered, and so, look at that movement. Like it just flows and it looks so natural. That is one of my favorite things about these wig pieces, is just how natural all that movement is. I mean, in addition to the colors, look at all of that dimension. So you got your girl in the mail and now you want to style her and get her ready to take out. So there's a few tricks to this. Yes, you can use a curling iron, you can use a flat iron, you can heat them up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. But insider trick is I really wouldn't go above 300 when you're first starting, because there's a few little tips to it. One is, you know, with our hair, how you have to hold the hair on to catch the heat all the way through. With wig hair, you don't really want to hold it on to the heat. You just want the heat to heat up the hair, and it happens very quickly. And then you want to let it go. And you can either pin this hair, I might use a bobby pin to pin it into place if you want it a really tight curled look. And what that does is it gets set in the cooling part. So really it's like you just want to heat up the hair with the iron, let it go into your hand. Don't let go of the curl because you want to set that curl. So you can see I just hold it long enough for it to catch the heat, and then I am going to set it. So you can use a bobby pin, or if you have hair pins. And really this is for like a little bit of a tighter curl. If you don't want a tighter curl and you just want like a really natural wave, you can just let it go. So I'll show you. Once you just hit it with the heat, I want it a little bit more than that. Actually, you can just wrap it around the iron like that. So when you just hit it with the heat a little bit, just hold it for about 10 seconds just to let it cool down a little bit, and then you can let it go. And you can see that will end up being a beach wave when you shake it all out. So sometimes I like to let the bottom of my hair a little bit looser and then have the top a little bit tighter, so when it comes together it looks a little longer. That's my trick. So I'm just gonna run through this side of the head so you can see how it goes when I take it out. And I use big chunky sections. You know, you just want to really, today I'm just gonna do a really nice beach wavy type of vibe, a little bit on the effortless looking side. So these front two I'm holding so that they're a little bit more coiffed, and then the back I'm just gonna kind of let go a little bit more natural. So you see that wave. The cool thing about this too is this wave will stay until you put heat on it again. It will not fall out. That is the cool thing about wigs, especially synthetic wigs, because they keep the style for as long as it's styled that way. Until you put heat on it again, then it'll change. So I really just want some natural movement in this girl so that when I wear her, she looks a lot like how I would wear my hair. What are some reasons like women wear wigs? How about just switching up a new look? How about just trying something new? How about it's really fun to change your color without the commitment, the haircut without the commitment, outside of all the obvious reasons that one might wear a wig. It's just fun. It's also like nice to not have to deal with your hair sometimes. You just throw one of your girls on. So I'm almost done here, and then I'm gonna shake her out and I'm gonna do the rest of her, and then I'm gonna put it on for you and show you how bomb it looks. Look at how pretty that is. And then when you put her on, you can spray some hairspray if you'd like. And see how I kept the bottom just a little bit more natural so it keeps the length, and then you have these nice curls around you. All right. Thanks a lot, guys. Let me know if you have any questions, and that is how you curl your TressAllure wig.